Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your mirror on a Mazda 3, and also I'm going to show you how to change your driver window switch. So first thing first, you need to take out the rubber mat to expose your Phillips screw right there. And also you want to remove that plastic trim right there to expose your Phillips screw right there too as well. So to take out the window switch, you're going to need to pry between the window switch and the door panel. Just pry around it from top to bottom, and it will come out like that. Alright, so now at this point you just want to squeeze the knob and unplug the plug from the switch. Alright, and you would get your new one, plug it in, and put it back right in place. That's how you would change your window switch on a Mazda 3. But we're gonna go further and take off the door panel because it's the mirror that we're changing on this one really. I get a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw right there. And unscrew the screw at the door handle too. So at this point, what you want to do is put your pry tool between the door and the panel to remove the door facing or the door panel, whichever name you might call it. Alright, so now I'm going to put the pry tool between the door facing and the panel and pry it out. Just enough so I can get my fingers in there so I can pull on it. And there you go. Pull on it like that. With this, when changing the mirror, you can do it with the window up or window down, and you want to remove that plastic piece right there so you can get access to your 10 millimeters that hole in the mirror. And also you want to make sure when you put in your card, it run behind the window track so you don't interfere with the glass when it's going up or going down. You also want to be careful when taking out those screws because they will fall down in the door. So just be real careful not to let them fall, alright? Remove one already, remove the other one. And after you remove the third one, the mirror is going to fall down. So you want to hold the mirror so you don't bang on the paint and scratch the paint up. Alright? You can take your time and let it rest down there on the card. And you want to take out your screw very careful, alright? Carefully. So as you can see down in there, that's the clip. You want to squeeze right there and pull the clip off. Pull the clip up. And that's how you release the clip for the mirror, alright? And it run behind the truck again, so be careful when you're putting it back. Make sure it's run behind the truck. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm trying to show it to you right there. And also you're gonna want to remove your speaker so you can get more access to the wire. So you want to remove your speaker. In the video I already removed 2 of them. It's 4 screws that hold the speaker, so you want to remove those 4 screws to get access to the wire in there. Alright, and that's also going to be a 10 millimeter for those 4 screws. Alright, and try to show it up there, but I don't think it's working. So you want to make sure you clear the wire from the truck so you can take out the mirror. Alright, and it's easy as that. You want to get your new mirror. I got this mirror from the dealer. It comes just like that. No glass, no light, no cover on it. So I got to get it piece by piece from the dealer. So I'm going to put it together, but I'm going to put it on first. In case you have a full mirror, you can go ahead and put it on just like this. But if you get a mirror that's all scraps down to the frame of the mirror, this is how you put it on, alright? And put it together. So you want to run the wire down and around the truck where the glass don't go, so it doesn't interfere with the glass, because if the glass come and hit the card, it might stop the glass from going down, or it might break the mirror from moving in the direction. Alright, so now you want to get your 10 millimeter and just tighten them up. Be really careful not to drop it. Even though if you drop it, it's not going to be a big deal because the speaker is out, so you can catch the screw easily if you drop them. Alright, but be careful not to drop them. Don't give yourself any extra work while doing this. So after you route your truck around, after you route your cable around the truck, you bring it up and over to the hole, and also you wanna lock it into place. Alright, and after that you wanna put your speaker back up, tighten all your 10 millimeter, tighten up your speaker. And guys, I make videos so you don't have to make the same mistake what I do. I forget to put the little cap that goes there, and that I took off first. I have to take off back the panel to put it back. So make sure when you put in back your mirror, you put back the cap that goes where the wire come out of the door. Alright, When you put in back your door face, and make sure you put back that cap right there. Alright, lock the handle in place, and then you line up all the clips on the hole, and then you kind of give it a light tap right around the clips so it can go in. Alright, give it just a light tap. At this point, you want to put back your mirror, your window switch, and also you want to put back your screws, and you want to tighten them up. Alright, so now that part is done. You want to check that the mirror is mounted properly and secure, and also you want to take the light off the old mirror because the new mirror didn't come with the light. So you want to take the light off. After you take the light off, you want to unplug it from that one and plug it into the new one. Alright, and you want to tighten it down also on the new one. So after you tighten it up, you want to put on your cover on the mirror. Put on your cover and line it up, and then you just give it a small tap. And also you want to line up this one, so the pink one go to the outside and the black one go to the inside. Alright, and you want to make sure it looks just like that. You lock it in place. You want to move the mirror in all directions. Make sure it stick firm and it's secure. So move it in all directions, alright? And that's it. That's how you change your mirror on the Mazda 3. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Until next time.